Yeah, what is going on, guys? Today we are going to analyze the market one more time, and what we are going to analyze is still going to be this forex pair. Some of them I've already analyzed it, but I'm going to delete some analysis and then do this in your face. This is called the secret of day trading. The secret of day trading, and this day trading we always gonna be on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15 for day trading, and I'm gonna show you the secret of day trading. Now, what we're looking for is something that have trend from the top to the down, creating two touches on the line. Okay, and it comes like something that looks like this. Comes like a wedge. This is a wedge. This wedge has come down as a downtrending wedge. Okay, so what happened is any downtrending wedge is gonna break out to the upper side. Okay, to the upper side. That's in the long run. Okay, that's in the long run that this is gonna break out. So what we're gonna do about this is this. You can see it has broken the. Hello. Yeah, good morning, bro.
Give me Bishan pictures.
Okay.
One.
I'm Pitlos.
Bishan.
This madam no day, so me I don't sabi sell all those things.
This 150 now.
I don't even feel sabi sell am like it.
As you don't know,
I don't know am, man. So maybe you go come back later. If not pure water now, I go sell pure water, but man. Take care. Yeah, so as I'm saying, this one, it has broken up and then is going up. All right, good. So if you imagine that it broke out at this point and then it rallied up, but later it came down, you see, all this type of moves, we don't even worry about it. Okay, the idea is that it's going to break out of this upper line. Once it break out of the upper line, yours is just to pick it up. You don't need to worry about all this kind of retracement moves. It doesn't give any matter here. It doesn't matter. Okay, when it break out, okay, you know that it's going to complete the final leg at the top where it started. This top right here, that is where your final take profit is. As you can see, that is where it came. You understand? That's where it came. Okay, now let's go to the next analysis, please. These are simple analysis. Let's go to something like the USD and just take a look at it. Chart on the USD. Okay, you will see that, man, the idea of this is to break the upper line. Okay, and we have to understand that this is a wedge that has come downward. Okay, something like this, and it has to break the upper line. Okay, and this is the upper line. This one here is the upper line. It has to break it. Now it broke it here. Okay, now where is it going? Like I said before in the previous example, is that it's going to that final point where it started from. Now, okay, and that is the final point. The green is the point where it started from the left, and this is the final point. So this price now is coming to this zone right here. Okay, I always like to draw a wedge, but if I have to make it to be clear, this is what we got. Okay, we got something that looks like this, and we got something that looks like this small wedge right here. So we got a small wedge. Okay. We got something that looks like this. It's traveling inside this right now. After breaking out of the big one, it's traveling inside the small one right now, going up. Okay. It broke out of this big one. Now it's going and it's going to get to this green where it started from. If you look the left, and that's all. Now, the previous video you saw that the price broke out and then retraced, but I said don't care about that retrace. Pick your order or the very small time frame of 15 minutes. Place your final destination, which is your final take profit, and forget about every other thing. You see, this type of strategy is that it is when you win one that you are going to consider to pick the next. Okay, this type of trading strategy, you will have to win the first one before you ever think of, going to take the second trade. This is how to trade this type of, intraday strategy. Now, this is USD CHF. Let's take another one, for example. Let's say the AUD USD, chart. Now, this one is also a kind of upper wage. It's a wage that has gone up. So any wage that has gone up, definitely you're going to expect that this wage is going to crash down. Okay. Now, what we have, you see, the price have crashed down by breaking the lower part of the wedge from here. Okay, as you can see properly, where is it going is what is going to be in your mind. Now, where is it going? Now, this is the final destination where it started from, this green line. Okay, if you look at your left, look left here, you will see this move started from here, and then that is exactly where this leg is coming to end, right here. Now, if I have to do this properly by bringing out the smaller wedge, this is the current smaller wedge. All right, and this is the current smaller wedge. This is it. It's traveling inside this current smaller wedge right now. But yes, of course. Okay, I hope it's very simple. Right, but let's go to the next. This is AUD USD. Okay, and then if we go to the GU GBP USD, it works also for the GU. Okay, one thing about this pair is that one will be doing what the other has already done. Okay, that's one thing about this type of pairs. And this strategy is intraday. It's for very short time intraday fast profit taking, but it can be used for the big time frame also. So now look at this. It's an upper wedge. I said where you see an upper wedge, two touch on the up and then two touch on the low. Definitely it has to break down. It has to break the lower wedge. This is the lower wedge, the lower part of the wedge. This is it. It has to break it. It has to break it in order to go down. And where is it going? This place where it started from is where it's going. And as you can see, it's already there. Now see, this is where it's going. It's coming right here on this green line where this big moves of this wedge started from. This is it. That is where it's going to end it. All right. But if I have to do something else, I will bring out the smaller wedge for you, which is this one. Okay. But I may not like to draw a lot of things. But this is the smaller wedge. So I'm just drawing the smaller wedge so that you can get knowledge of exactly what I'm doing. Okay, now this is GU, and let us go to something else, like let's go far away. I don't want the video to be so long. I just want you to get the knowledge of what exactly I'm doing. Let's see the CHFJPY and see what we got here. So The CHF JPY is something that has to do with the upper wage. You see, this type of strategy, it requires you to be, to be searching your phone. You understand? To be searching your phone, because if you don't search your phone, you cannot see, what am I saying? You cannot see this, what is it? This pattern as they are being formed, Now, this is a wage that is going up, okay? And any upgoing wage, it's supposed to come and break the lower part of the wage, okay? After 2 touches, okay? 1, 2. We have 2 touches, 1, 2. And here we have 2 touches, 1, 2. We have 2 touches. And then we have 2 touches at the top, 1, 2. So this is going to crash down anytime from now. So what are we going to do in case of this? Definitely this. You will watch me now. I will pen one order. Okay. I will just pen one order right now. Just one. Should I pen it? Should I pen this order? Sell stop. Definitely, if I'm gonna pen it, I will pen a sell stop order somewhere right here. Okay, right here. Okay, I have some order open. That's why I don't want to pen it. But if I have to show you example of what I would have done if I don't have any order open, my sell stop pending order is going to be here. This is my entry. It's a sell stop pending order. Okay. And then my take profit would have been right here, which is the final destination, and which is exactly where the big moves started from. If you have to look at your left, it started from here. This wage started from here. So this wage is going to come back to crash down and end up here. Now, if you have to talk about the stop loss on this type of strategy, you can get a stop loss at exactly where it turns around, or somewhere. Yeah, where it turns around is what I'm going to say, because I don't want to say above or below the what is the wage, or just where it turns around. That is this red line right here is the highest high we got. We put our stop loss right there, and that is it. And we just forget about every other thing and go and wait. And there's no point of getting worried about this type of setup, because it is a pending order. So you have nothing to worry about. You understand? So let's leave every other thing. If we have to talk about how this price is going to move right now, maybe we can just draw some kind of line, which I know you cannot see it, but we can draw a kind of line to tell you that this is going to move somehow like this. And then, let's see, we should be expecting some kind of moves that will look like this. Inside these other waves, inside this other wage that we have drawn. Okay, I've drawn another wage right here. I said, I believe this price is going to do these moves right now. And in the process of doing these new moves, this new wage is going to break our entry. And from there, we're going to get to our take profit. Breaking this wage to activate our order means it's breaking the lower part of the new wage. And that means it is breaking the lower part of the upper wage, which means it is going to break out somewhere where the upper and the lower points where they meet, and that is the point of equilibrium. So let's watch out how this plays, and that's it. So this is the strategy. You can use it for any time frame even the bigger daily time frame or weekly time frame. You can use it if you master it properly. Now, when I say that, you should be looking for this type of you should be looking for this type of analysis. You know, some people, you may not be able to recognize this type of pattern. You know, you may not be able to recognize this type of pattern with your own naked eyes. Yes, you know, that's it. I've been trading Forex for so long, so I understand that with your own naked eyes, you may not recognize this type of pattern. You understand? So, how are you going to trade when you don't understand or when you can't recognize a pattern when it's forming? That's another problem. You understand? So this is why in the description below, okay, I have some kind of links that have to do with the Forex trendy, you know, which I believe that you should always go and get the Forex trendy, you know, because Forex trendy is the only thing that can show you this pattern when they are being formed on any pair. At least you can spy all the 36 pair at a glance. You know, if you set your Forex trendy 15-minute time frame to show you all this type of pattern, immediately it's formed, you've seen it and you've been able to pick it up. If you master this strategy properly, tell me, are you going to be losing? No. And you are not going to be doing any stress of analyzing the market by yourself. Everything you need to do is Forex trendy will show you when this pair is complete, and you just need to do what? Pend your order. Pend your order. Look at this setup right here. Okay, if anybody following this setup till this point, we understand that this is a wedge that came down, and any wedge that came down, the price will definitely shoot up, but then you must have at least two touches from the low, which is the starting point, and somewhere along the body, two touches. Then you have about two touches on the top. You know, here we have only one touch, and we have where it started from. So let's say at least it's a double top issue, double top and a double bottom issue. But so that's why this broke out. It broke out and went into the next wedge heading up. Okay, and that's where we ended up, and it's coming to this zone where it started from. If you see it properly, you will understand that it's already there. Let's make it green so you can. Properties of green, that is what I used to use for my own final take profit levels. You can see it, that the price got here. Okay, the price got there. Okay, this is where the wedge that went down started from, but the price now broke out of it, coming to form a upper wedge, and it end up where it started from. Look left. This is what you can see. Those tools that can show you exactly this pattern, okay, they are: one, harmonic scanner. Harmonics. Okay, harmonics, because it's very perfect to show you reversals and patterns, you know. But I recommend harmonic scanner if you are a professional Forex trader, like you've been trading for so long and you know a lot of things about Forex. That is when I can recommend you use harmonics, you know. But to a beginner, okay, everything you need is a Forex trendy, which is going to be drawing all these patterns for you. So if you want to get your own Forex trendy, which I strongly recommend, you can check on the description of this video, and you will see I said chart analysis, or I said Forex trendy, or I said something like this video shows the pair that we trend right now. See, anyone you see, just click on the link. Okay, if you see any box that requires you to enter your email, enter your email. Then go to your email address, check. We have sent you the link to Forex trendy so that you can watch the video. It's going to be dropped in your inbox. You understand? That is why you don't need to enter a fake email address, okay? Because you will not get the link to Forex Trendy, okay? You know, so and if you are the one that you have not subscribed to this channel, you got to subscribe. This is the type of video we do every time. And if you are the one thinking, how much is Forex Trendy gonna cost? It's just $37 for just like 4 months, okay? $37 for 4 months. That's what Forex Trendy is, okay? So definitely we have to end this video here. You can share it and share it to your friends. Let them come and watch and subscribe to this channel. And that's me done. Thank you.